Now that we have created a easy and simple single linked list and seen the results dumped here as expected, we will go ahead and granularize this by creating a separate function for display. Cut this here and say call display, pass the head, and then create a function display head list node, paste the one here. Fair enough. Now save it. Clear. We have isolated the function display separately, and it should behave the same way as we had seen previously. Yeah, we are seeing the display of the same results with function isolation of display into the display call. We can also optimize the way in which the list is getting created. So we can remove all of this, and instead of using variables second, third, fourth, and so on, we simply use the head node and the next part. So head is this one, which is 11. Head dot next is 21. Head dot next will be 31. Copy this and then find a fourth node. I'll copy this and get the fifth node. Fine. Okay, now we save it. And then run again. Yeah, we get the same result. Thanks for watching.